In this video, we will cover the gallery formatting which will be used in the navigation. So here we will cover the data source which does not have ID. So let's put a button. Okay. So here on select, we'll first do a clear collect original. This is the original data source. Okay, we do not have ID here, so we are going to add ID. Clear collect only for the first one, not for the others. Remember that. Okay, so we have created. Now we will insert a what? We will insert a gallery vertical, or before that we will do we are going to add the ID to this. Okay, so first we will do clear collection for color. Collection for color. Okay, so we are going to loop. Collection for color is not yet defined. Okay, so for all, collection original collect collection for color. Last element of the first n. So this is, I have already covered last and first n in my previous videos. In first n and last, you can search Power Apps 1000 videos, first n, Power Apps 1000 videos, last. So you can get those videos. So we'll take the original one and then add columns. Okay, first n will bring the first n values of the collection, and then it will take the last element. So it's like extracting the values one by one. Now here we are adding ID. Follow my video, the previous ones. COUNT count rows, then collection for color. Okay, each time we are going to add one. Okay, so it goes to the next one, comma, count rows. So it will have row one by one. We'll add rows one by one, and then we are going to add that to the ID for color. Plus 1, we are going to increase it. Then we close the bracket. One more bracket. One more, the last one. One more semicolon. Okay, let's see this one. Clear all for color for all. For color for collection original, then collect, call for color, comma, last from the first n, and then add columns to it, call original, comma, id, comma, count rows of collection for color plus 1, then we close the bracket, comma, count rows, call for, this is a mistake here, plus 1, and then we close the bracket, then close one more bracket, one. So this, okay. This we keep it here, nice and clean. This one is here, this one goes here, this one goes here, and the last one is for this one. Okay, this goes here, goes here. Okay, all right. So this will give us a new collection. Run. Let's view collections. This is the original. ID is not there. For color, I've added the ID here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what? Now we put our gallery. Insert gallery vertical. And then we will use this for color. This will have 1, 2, 3, 4 in it. So now we have seen that we have covered this insert label here. So we have covered how to convert a data source without an ID, a collection without an ID, to a collection with an ID. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is here. Now we can use the, we can select this, use the template fill, template fill, RGBA, then 0, 0, 255, mod. You know mod, right? Use the result. This item dot ID. Now we've got ID. It's dividing by 2, and then close it. Ta-da! This will be the blue color. If you want to make it green, we make this as 0. And then you can run it and see. We make it a little bit bigger. So what? Now the hover color, you can watch the previous video, lesson 143, and you can get that hover thing working. It's not a big deal. And so this is how we have provided the alternating color for our gallery in a collection without the ID